Gejala nginya pa shiki kubor na keleng gejala. Kajing rakhe ya gejing yo jela pura kabasan pusau jang ka Meghalaya la penlong habak mara menta kasni kabalong ru kasien kabaningkong ban rakhe ya gani kasni ha South Karo Hills ha gani ka program la kenma buram ya u Captain Williamson sangma bam kwai hadwar ublei ubadei menteri rangba beningkong gajela Meghalaya menteri rangba gajela u konrad ki sangma ula ong ba karai ban penlong ya gani gejing rakhe habak mara kapen ya gejing la jang ka sarkar ban pentikna bagi nu kitan ha gajela kim dei bandon ya gejing sngo sha kantan lasdang ya gani gejing rakhe da gejing rai na ka khmi kwaya Shillong.
It is because of the blessings that He has showered upon the people of our state that we were blessed to have our own land, our own state, our own identity. And in the last 54 years, Almighty has blessed us to take our state forward to where we are today. And I'm sure with the efforts that have been put by each and every citizen of our state, we will march ahead with confidence, determination, and the will to make sure that we achieve all the goals and targets that we have set in front of us.
Menta kasni gejala Meghalaya kalapin long ya gejing rakhe ya kalingko dap san pusau snem je gejing yo jela bapura ya gani gejing rakhe lapin long ha keleng gijaka ke bakin thop hanong ba Shillong hatura hamai rang bat hajowai kinong shong shnong bat ki he officer ki la yalum lang hagi program balapin long hagi jaka ba pher ban ken ma burom ya gani kasni bat ban pen pau halor gejing ya linti jong gejala tungin yakmi khambania halor kani ka kubor
KHASI district la penlong ko program bakar bang haplau jong ko office street ka deputy commissioner kanong ba Shillong ha ka balawan benishim bentalang de kinong yo pedang khusnam ha ka Meghalaya di kirang ba shnong na kishnong bakher ka kinong shakhat sngo ba ha ba ajingren ka deputy commissioner ko kong Rosita M Kurba kala penpau halor ka jingrius pa jong ka jalla ha ka bayde bet ki mar po khandau kiriti duster ka spa maryang pat ka jinglong bayar kalau kentu kinong shnong kinyadai kamaryang bat kiriti dustur padru kinno sinyang ban kentiu ya kayo ka kot ha ka jella ha ka ni ka jingra khila penlong ro ka jingroi itri ka jingduai na it Father Richard Majau bat ya ka presentation na ka benta kinong yo pedang khusnam ha ka lang ka arts kam shakri ha ka imlang sa lang bat ha kam yele ka sport Hamairang la penlong ke program ha multipurpose hall jong ka DC office mau sawa ha ka balawan mission bentalang de kinong tri sarkar kinong yalam shnong ban rakhe kaleng khudam sampu saus nem jong ka jingyo jilla ADC uba enong bri ba ajing tren ulo ong bad kade ka kamram jong ka sarkar ban ai ka jing shakri na ka benta ka bha ka met jong ki pat ba na ka benta ka roi ka pa jong ka jilla ha ka ni ka program la samro ikikus nam shakinong tri sarkar ki bla ai ka jing shakri ki bapaka pat shakinong hikai school ki bono sinyang na ka benta ka puli puthi pat ki kam ban shakri na ka benta ka imlang sa lang lapan long roi ka jing rakhe halo ka jing puli bat ka jing ki ka yang ka roi ka pa ka district HDC office jawai ka additional deputy commissioner ka kong bi bla pat kiwai pat ki nong tray ki lapan long ka jing rakhe ka ni ka sngi ba ajing kren ka kong bla kala yaro yakinong yalam barem ki bla trishtom bat len la di ban penyo ya ka jalla pat ka ni ka jing rakhe ka long kum ka jing pen kan ma ba ngin shem ya kajing kit khili ban penne pansa e kaburam jong ka jalla kajing tali bat kajing kan tiu ya karoi ka pa hatura la panlong e kajing rakhi hadisi park hakabala yo e kajing pen inam ye ki program tan rai bat kariti dostur ki be ishong kun hadu kata kata hakani ka program na sakhi ye kajing pen ya kajing shat wang ki men kijing pot jingtam chigring bat kijing shat garu da kakan hon tan tani Deputy Commissioner Vibhor Agarwal Ulayaro Ahlor ka jinglong Reus Pa Chong ka Jala Meghalaya hakalyang ka Kolshor ka jing shong suk shong san pa ka jing kiu hakaroi ka par ula aimen sim ban kan tiu ka sap ka phong jong ki khun samla bat kan tu ya ki nong shong shnong ban te ka lawei ka balong ya reng kat kum ka chuk bathamai bat ban penne pansa e ka riti to store Nado na nong ba shilong shadu shatura nado na mairang shadu shajuai la sakhi ba ka jingrakhi ka lengko yo jala ba san pusaus nem ka jala Meghalaya kalong ka jingrakhi ka culture kiriti dustur pat ka jingkir jong ka jala hakaleng ka district kinang yalam bat kinong shnong kilapan paw ka jingploy jong ki banyatali kan kan tiwi ka roi ka par kan ya dai ka jinglong ba karpang jong ka jala Bureau Report TT News Meghalaya
Kumkadak bandrakhi ya kelingku dap sanpusausnem jong gajingyo ya gajala Meghalaya ka Urdu Society of India Shillong kalapenlong ya ka blood donation camp ha kashnong mauba ya kani ka gam la penlong da gajingya trilang bat ka Negrims Hospital haringkat gajingya kershan ka dor barshnong buan nagi patba kilawan badi shimbenta ha kani ka gam da ka bawan ice nam sngobha Habaya kren bat ka Didi News, u Education Secretary, u Ai Bari Marbanyang, ula ong ba la shim ya kani ka sinjam, knang ban kintiw ya kamin sim ya rap para brio. Ula ai kublay ya baro ki balawan ban ais nam sngobha, bat kumchu ya kinong trey ka kwait ka kia ki balawan ban ya rap.
And we thought that by doing so, by holding this camp, at least we could render this service to the service of humanity. And as a youth of the state, we thought that we organize this program so that in the future we can do such more such things.
We all should always keep on donating. Our one unit can save a life of someone, and not only we are saving someone's life, we are saving someone's family. You can understand that.
I want to make it clear that actually it's a very helpful thing for the society, and I will tell you, in our blood bank, in our setup which we do, a person who is donating 1 unit of blood, 4 people will get benefit from that. We'll separate the blood into packed red cells, into plasma, platelets, and also cryoprecipitated. So accordingly, 1 unit of blood is beneficial for 4 people, 4 patients. So it's a very good gesture to come out, and it's a good gesture for the humanity also, for the society also. So there is no myth, sir. There is no myth at all. And we are doing all the proper investigation beforehand. Before the blood donation, we used to screen, doctor is there, counselor is there. They will do all the prerequisites required, and then he can safely donate blood.
U Menteri Rangba Gajala u Konrad Ki Sangma ulalit jurib ya ka Bakmara Civil Hospital ban sakhi dalaki khmat ya kani ka hospital halor kimat ki balaya kren hagajia lang badangshen ka balalong hapo ka district level nakaliang chong u ulapatha ba ya ki officer ban penbet penbiang ya gijing don kam ki bala ban le klem la penslam ha gajing jurib chong u ulalap baduna ki doktor bat ha ka ba ki don tangkhat wengut ki medical officer na ki arpo arngut ki balathung kam bad omsham ladan wat tang uweru u doktor specialist balawan trei watla nakaliang katanat ka koit ka khia ladeb banthung ulalabru ba wat ki nurse bad ki nong yarap ki duna bha ha kani ka hospital u mentri rangba ulakmi ru ye gijing te ha kani ka hospital ki bakan thop ya ka chaka bu snam bad ya ka oti laya kren ru halwar gijing e ki bayadei bad gijing penbiang ya ka umbam umdi bad ru ya ki ambulance
major leakage होते Major league kisan. ICU. Naman kalap ko eh.
operation ako sinop sir. Yung one block sura chile pura functional matna tana una yarani ko santi uchina shift agna block sura chile ko
No, it's structure ko can you give it to district? Okay? That's what going to member. Anga action at kira mo support is main project ko support it. Actually sa may na auditory mo mo support ang one I will give for sure.
Menteri Rangba Gejala Ukonrat ke Sangma ulap leperda ya kecaka I training balatip kum ka counter insurgency anti-terrorism school bat ya ka integrated police welfare complex habak mara kabahab hapo ka South Garo Hills. Hakani ka program lawan disimpenta dokumentari katanat sarkar bapher ki he officer bat ki he pulit. Haba ajing kren Menteri Rangba ulayaro ya karukom trekam chong u IG u Davis NR Marak bat ai kubleiru ya Menteri Barim ki kampo yeng gejela uba lakmen rembui. Ubala ai gejing menjer ya kamang tingka. Ula ong ba hakathan bakmara dan kambha bandan ki jaka ai training ki bakerpang ban yakun persya iki kam pentriam. Hakani kayeng building balatay thamai kandan ka hospital na kabenta ki pulit ka training center ka jaka bam bat ka jaka pinberngia ya kinong tre.
So I can foresee that this is just the beginning. I really would like to encourage the officials that while we ensure that this runs well and serves a purpose that it's supposed to now, with the kind of way the dynamics of law and order maintenance, different technologies coming in, different aspects of warfare, different aspects of terrorism, proximity of the border and the length of the border that is there just right next to us. We need to ensure that we continue to innovate.
Kaseng Congress na Meghalaya kelekentu ya kaseng BJP kabayalam ya sarkar pedeng ban shimkia halor gijingja badangshen kibayadei bat kikamti doyong bian ha kejela. U nongyalam kaseng Congress uba Manuel Badwar ulakinno ba kattu katni na kibadon ha kabor kiadon bentalang ha kikamti doyong bian bat kani kapen mentoy tang ya ki kattu katni om ya kejela barwa kawai. Ula ong ba kejela Meghalaya kalanang yai beteng ban hiar ha kejingmi na kadaw kikam doyong bian. Kani kajingkren jong u kalami halor kajingja ti doyong tlioknai badangshen ha East China Hills ha kaba uwei unong bala uladu e yala kajing em ha kajing kalem ka krem doyong. Uba badwar ula kentu badai banbu da kajing perking ka bating e bat bandan kajing pensngoto pat ba kam tam ha gijaka nong kendong.
And in the long run, what is happening is that you would also notice that even in our budget, right, that the state's revenue itself is very, very weak. So our revenue collection from the state, which is supposed to be much, much higher, it hardly even touches 4,000 crores. Whereas our budget, from an estimation point of view, just from a spending point of view, is touching 27,000 crores every year. And so obviously, we are dependent on grants and so on and so forth, which means that the government does not take any consideration, does not even bother whether our revenue increases or not.
Unoyalam jong kaseng Congress uba Manuel Badwar ulayro ya karai jong kasarkar ban ailat yakitu kibala pep school ban wan pai biang syagajing puli bat ban yakun ya ka eksamen matrik lani ka SSLC uba Badwar ulaong ba gajing puli kam dei ban syak khanglat hakarta bat kum kani ka sinjam kan yarap ban ai mensi mi ki samla ki bakwa ban beteng ya gijing puli Nakaliang uba badwar ula ong ba kani kadai tang kasien jam kabarin ba katanat puli puthi kalashim bat dang don kam shibun gijing pen kala ha katanat puli puthi ha kajala haba pen pau halor kajing bomla chungki khna bande bha ha ka examine ula ong ba kadai nakada gijing bombyang kinong hikai bat gijing ai jing hikai ki papaka ula kentu badon kam ban pen thamai kerki ya kurukom ai jing hikai ha kajala.
School dropouts, people who probably have not managed to clear the matriculation classes, class 10 or matriculation in the past, allowing them to come and sit again for schooling and at least clear that hurdle is not a bad thing. It's an important thing, and I think and I believe that we should at least give the people the opportunity, because education as such does not stop with age, right? We have to continue on learning, we have the drive to learn, and we have to continue on having some sort of an eagerness to educate ourselves. So it's important that the government is actually taking that into consideration, especially the education department.
Kipulet ka West China Hills kilayo Kemya khat prangut kinong Bangladesh hakajing talasi hakamit shiteng senya jong ka arphotarik ukalalingkon ka kenhun bekerpang ringkat gajing atrelang bad u wahe shnong bad ke kenhun VDP jong ka shnong demthring kila talasi ya barok ki kali ki bayai lingba ka tei shnong hadien ba kilayo jingtep halor gajing suba rungto jong ki tei ki brio Hakani kejingja la kemru ya arngut kinong India ki badon kti ban yarap ya kite ki brio bad ya sangut kinong ya kali. Halor kejingyo ya kukubor na ki bor sentian la buru ya gijaka talasi kali hakathan amlarem knang ban yo kem ya ki batmu rungtu. Ya kini ki belasha kem la pengat hapo ka an Immigration and Foreigners Act arajar arpusan kibor pulet kila ong ba kin yai peteng ban perking hakijaka khaput bat kenturu ya kinong elam shnong bat ki kenhun VDP ban ya treilang la penlong ya ka legal literacy program ha yo la rambai bat sukilu da gajing thmu ban penlait ya ki shnong na ka shongkurem khna Hakani gajing sedang lapenyat da ka District Legal Services Authority East China Hills haringkat gajing trelang bat ki Asha unit hapo jang kabal Viva Muk Bharat campaign bala penlong da ki street play ban penyadon bentalang ya ki paitba la phai khmat khamtam halor ki kendon an bayade bat ka shongkurim khana bat ki hok chongki kani gajing sedang kabu thong na kabenta kishnong ki baduna ha gajing yo jingtem khnang ban kintiu ya gajing puli puthi bat ban yo jingyada na ka an Unong wat RTI uba Richingson Siangshai ulaya kendu ya u Deputy Commissioner ka East China Hills hakabaya day bat gijing penkala jong ka DSC hakajing yalang kabala long ha unaiwing jong usnam arajar arpusan ula ong ba kinong don benta bakintop yaki MLA kila menjur halor kini gijing penkala khnang bandon ka khuit ka suba ha karukom thungkam ula kdo ya khat nyotli kimat halor kumno ban penklan ya karukom thungkam uba Siangshai ula ong ba UDC ula pha jingtho shaka Personal and Home Department halor karai balashim ula pentikna yikinong thapkam ba yagijing tep bakhambania nagajing wat RTI jong an sapan bana pa ba shen ula banjeru ba unjai budin bat kumkini gijingja kenyai beteng
ya katu ka benta namar kumgam ngaru basdang hi ya kani kadon ar benta kani ka benta banga follow up kadai ka benta jong kani ka recruitment process ka bakidang advertisement kin sapendep te katai ka benta ka bang ngiyok ya kujubab lang bagi RTI habe dai bat ka rukom trekam bat ki kam jong ka DSC ka ba kelas recruitment ku be ba jingkeli ka jong pi kumbang ala kular ya barok information bangayok ngan make it public te ya kani sama ai lat yang hopefully in about a week or two will be fully transparent to the public ka ibang ayo nang tapat syong hapaj ba mkayo I thoj ngaru yo iba don kamro ban dik out show ban bot RTI ya kata ngan sepentip kat kam ka por ban misha office
ka Meghalaya State Skill Development Society lembat ka MBME kila penlong ya ka program Sam Sernot Hadina para Southwest Karo Hills hagaju kapor la plie ya ka Dondima IVCS Limited Warehouse Bathamai kumba arpau nakilai phongud kibayo jinghikai haka agro processing kilayo kam yo jam kinongelam kila pensha ya gijing don kam banthung katkum gijing don sab bat kurukom seng kam seng jam u MLA ka Salman para u yan botham ke sangma ulakentu ya ki samla banwat la daki weipat ki chat kam om ban khmi lenti tang ya ki kam sarkar ki he officer kila penshlu ya ki nong yo jinghikai ban pendon kam ki scheme jong ka sarkar na ka benta ban kershan hi daladi yaladi mentang nya pha sheki khubor na keleng ka than chatei lamingi Laraki ya gajingyo jala Bapura chonga jala Meghalaya Manipur bat Tripura menta kasni halok bhawan hashilong ringkat ki program kolshor hador bar hall Laraki ya kani kasni hadian kaching batha na katanat kampo yeng chong ka sarkar pedeng kaba penlong kongsan kaba man ki jala bat ki union territory kidai ban rakhe ya kasni yo jala chongki ha ki raj bhawan ka arhwei tarik ukalalengkot kadai kasni jangajing yo jala pura chong lai tali gijala kajing penlong ya ki program chong kariti dustur kapen pau ya kapateng bat gijing chop chong gajala kumjuru ka Uttar Pradesh kan rakhe ya kasni yo jala haka arhusau tarik ukalalengkot katba kadadar an nagar haveli bat kat daman andiyu ken sarakhe haka arphondre tarik ukalalengkot
on this special day I appeal to everyone to strengthen the spirit of peace, harmony and brotherhood. Let us respect one another, work with honesty and contribute in our own way to progress our society and our nation. I once again convey my sincere greetings to the best wishes to the people of Meghalaya, Manipur, Tripura and Uttar Pradesh and Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Diu and Daman.
ka Manipur kala sakhi ya gijing le kemen ka bahetam ha ka ba gajela kala rakhe ya gijing yo jela Bapura basan pesan chongka ulat kejela u Ajay Kumar Bhala ula donlang hakani kasni da ka bapen pau ya gijing ya linti chong ka Manipur ha gijing kyo state karoi kapar nado balayo jela lajong hakani kasni lapen long ya ki program chong kariti duster ki jingkren bat gijing itho ya ki riu shimet ki balai no senyang ha karoi kapar chong ka jela ulat ula banjuru halor gajing kongsan jong kapuli puthi gajing penbna gajing penbha bat gajing ya trailang da baro ban kentiu ya kalawe jong gajela mentang nya pha shaki khubor na kalengkari katanat shipai ha kari kala rung sha kathup bathamai changki core technology dagajingbo ya kikso robot palatebru kum ki robotic mules kania kalong kasian kabening kong bakatanat shipai kan pendon kam ya kum kini ki core kat kum kachuk menta lashna ya kini kikso robot da ka company na India khnang ban pensuk ya gijing don kam chongki shipai ya kini ki kor la pen wandur ban pen trekam hagijaka bakham shimjing bat kan ai jingershan na ka benta ki shipai hagi kam khmi bnia ka jingbo iki ka pen ya ka jingla ka India dalade yalade ha ka banshna ya ki kor yadari mentang nya pha shaki khubor na keleng ka perthai Menteri ke Sarkar Pedeng u Ashwini Vaishnaw ulapan pau hagijingkiu kayok kakot ke India ha ka World Economic Forum kabapan pau ya gijingkiu state hagis namban 1 ulapan pau ru ya gijingkiu ki core technology bat ha kiwe ki liang uni Menteri ulapan pau ya gisenjam bachop ha ka imlang salang kom gijingpli ya ki bank account ki jaka lejbar ki babiang bat kabala ya rabru ya ki million wut ki nong shong ki badung ula ong ba kum kini gijing penkala ken ailat na kabenta gijing kentup lang bat kayo kakot kabas kem mentang ya pai shiki kubor ya lekai Ka Meghalaya Weightlifting Association Kalapenlong ya Kalimpong Asmita Weightlifting League Arachar Arpun Rio Kabaar Hanongpo Ribhoi District Kabadai Kalimpong Tangna Kabenta Kinong Yelekai Kentay na Keleng Gejala Meghalaya Kibalaya Kop Hakitop Baper Lawan Bansaki da ki he ki han bat ki kongsan ha kani Kalimpong Kani Kalimpong katmu ban pensilur ya ki Kentay ban yeshimbenta hagijing Yelekai Sport Hakasingi kabakut kinong chop kila yo ya kita kama bat ki sernon kinong penyat ya kani Kalimpong kila ong bakum kini gijat jing lekai kini rap ban itu bat kentiu ya kasap kapong jeng ki kentai ha kejala
Down. In fast position.
Timin tapat nginya pet ya gejing long chingman kasun beneng hakel lengki benta jong gejala Hatura kajing kriat kalong khatway degree Celsius bat kajing shed kalong 8% degree Celsius kajing sngam kahau kalong sanpusau na kashispa haba phai pat chanong ba shilong kajing kriat kalong 9 degree Celsius bat kajing shed kalong 8 degree Celsius kajing sngam kahau kalong 10 na kashispa kat ba hajawai kajing kriat kalong 9 degree Celsius bat kajing shed kalong 4 degree Celsius kajing sngam kahau kalong 10 na kashispa Kasin beneng kan rang bat syai hatura shilong bat jawai. Shwaban poi sya kabukut jong katuk kubor ngini pet biang sasisian yakimat bakongsan. Laki gejala Meghalaya ya kalingko yo jela pura ba sanpusau ha keleng ki district. Net jurib Menteri Rangbat Gejala Ukonrat Ki Sangma ya Kabak Mara Civil Hospital batha banshim ya kisin jam bakirki halor gejing duna kinong terai. Laraki ya kalingko yo Jalapura jong Gejala Meghalaya Manipur bat Tripura halok bhawan Shillong. Pentrai kam kisipai ke Indian Army da kiksau robot hakasian baningkong bantuet bat labdin ya kiriusnia. Te paralok katungi lapoi sya kabukut chong katuk kubor mentaga janmiet hadu bangin daya syempiang bat pila syai kesngi hakapor nyo beje janmiet kublai pi baro.